Hi everyone and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main riff of the song Feel Good Inc. by Gorillaz. It's a really easy riff to play where we're going to use only the 5th and 6th string. We're not going to play chords, only a melody. But if you want to play to the original key, you are going to need to tune half step down the guitar. As I said, we're going to use only the 5th and 6th string. So you have to tune until the 5th string, the A string, becomes a flat or G sharp, and the 6th string becomes a E flat or D sharp. Anyway, I'm not going to tune down the guitar, so to follow this tutorial you don't need to do that. Just take your guitar and let's begin. I remind you that if you want to play to the original song in the original key, you need to tune down the guitar half step. But we are going to use only the 5th and the 6th string, so you really just need to tune down those strings, the 5th and the 6th. But now I'm going to play in standard tuning, so you don't need to do that. The riff is really easy. We're not going to play chords, just a melody. And we start playing the 6th string open. And right after we do a pause. And then we play again the 6th string. We come with the first finger to the 2nd fret of the 6th string. And then 2nd finger, 3rd fret, 6th string. Okay, to do the pause, I just put my fingers on the strings, but I don't press, just that they stop sounding. You can do that like this, or with the right hand. Or both, you choose which one suits you better. Okay, that's the beginning. And when we arrive to the 3rd, we do a pause. And then we move the 2nd finger 1 string down until we come to the 3rd fret of the 5th string. There's a silence as well. Okay, and then we come to the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Okay, that line that you see under this number that puts together this number and the next number, it's a tie. It means that those two number 2s become only one. So we are going to play only once there. Okay, and we have to, there's not a pause. We're going to let the note sound across the whole bar. Okay, so let's try together. Bars 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so we continue to the 3rd bar. And we start, the rhythm is the same, but we change the notes. We start with the 5th string open, pause, and again the 5th string. And then we come with the 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the 5th string, and 2nd fret of the same string with the 1st finger. And pause. Okay? And then with the 2nd finger we come to the 3rd fret of the 6th string, pause, and 6th string open. But this time, when we arrive to this last tone, this is just an eighth note. So as soon as we play it, we have to do a silence there. It's not like we did on the second fret, on the second bar. Okay? So now I'm going, let's try together the third and fourth bars. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice! Now I'm going to show you how it sounds when we put together the first, second, third, and fourth bar. You saw that difference when I came to the second bar. I played the tone and that sound across the whole bar, but when I came to the last note, it was a short one. Okay? I'm going to show you again. Bars 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so when we come to the second line, it's exactly the same, but when we finish, right after that, we are going to play the 7th fret of the 5th string. Okay, you can use the 2nd finger or the 3rd finger, it doesn't really matter there. But we are going to do a slide to come to the 7th fret. Okay, you can start, for example, from the 5th fret, but you're not going to stay there and then slide. Instead, you're going to slide as soon as we play the string with the right hand. So we just want to hear the slide and the last tone, the tone where we're going. Okay, I'm going to show you the bars 7 and 8. One more time. Okay, let's try together bars 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, now we can try the bars 5, 6, 7, and 8. I show you one time. Now we can try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so let's try from the first bar until here. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Feel Good Inc. by Gorillaz. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, or you can visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials and the tabs. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.